Big breaking update now coming in from the Himalayan states of the country. Remember, the voting as well as the counting of the voting pattern is currently going on in states Sikkim as well as Arunachal Pradesh. Both states voted on April 19, which coincided with the first phase of Lok Sabha elections as well. As far as the recent updates of the counting is concerned, we are learning that SKM has already won 31 out of 32 seats, leading with a big majority in Sikkim. SKM certainly has swept the Sikkim elections, with SDF winning at only one seat. So that's the big result coming in the state of Sikkim. Remember, they voted on April 19. We've got some reactions also coming in straight from the ground. As you can clearly see, the celebrations have already broken out at the ground. Let's take a look at all the reactions that we have received from the ground as well.
सबसे पहले तो मैं जितना भी मेरा वोटर्स जिन्होंने इतना संघर्ष करके मतलब सहयोग दिया है, मुझे इतना हाईएस्ट मार्जिन से मुझे विजयी करा दिया है, इसमें मैं आंतरिक हृदय से मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। और मेरा पार्टी का प्रेसिडेंट वहाँ को भी मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ, जिसके वहाँ के कारण से मैं टिकट मिला इस बार। और जनता ने भी बहुत मतलब उचित लगा, इसलिए मेरा क्षेत्र सबसे ज़्यादा मतलब उम्मीद रख के इस बार मुझे सहयोग दिया है, तो मेरे लिए ये सबसे बड़ी बात है।
CNN News 18's Preeti Priyadarshani is back with us on the broadcast. Preeti, what exactly is happening there on the ground? Big victory for SKM. What's the word coming in from SDF? Let us know.
Exactly, it's a big victory for SKM in Sikkim, as we have seen that in 2000 it is a better result than they performed in 2019 elections. In 2019, SKM was they were able to get 17 seats, but here we have seen that out of the 32 seats, SKM has come out with 31 numbers, and along with that, SDF has just rested with one seat in the state. And we have seen that it's entirely the voters and the members of the party have entirely rested the entire victory on the shoulder of Prem Singh Tamang, who is the founder of SKM. However, these numbers are very strange. Nobody has actually expected these big numbers for SKM. 31 out of 32 seats was something not expected, but yes, there were some expectations, some speculations being made that SKM might come out victorious. But here we have seen that the SDF, we have seen Pawan Chamling, who was the chief minister who served the longest in the state, the party he had led, SDF, had to rest with just one seat in the state. And we have seen that the other parties in the state have also not performed at all. We have seen that CAP was a new party which was expected to be the kingmaker in the state of Sikkim, as it was a new party, and the numbers with SDF could have expected, it was expected it would go to some numbers, some extent of numbers, but it was seen that CAP has also come down to zero, and even the SDF, the main opposition in the state, has rested with just one seat in the state. Let me tell you, this SKM's entirely was brought up by the leader, and he has been elected to the state for a number of times. He had earlier, at the very beginning, he was also a member of SDF, for which there were a lot of allegations and he had to go to jail. And after coming out of the prison, he started this SKM party, and this is the second term of him where he is going to be the chief minister in the state of Sikkim. So a lot of celebrations going on in the entire Sikkim, because the two seats from where he actually got elected, from both the seats he have come out victorious, and it is a major victory for SKM, as it was not expected. Actually, 31 was not expected for SKM. This is the big number, and also as they are a member of NDA. In Arunachal also today the counting is going on. They are also BJP, and we have seen that NPP together as in NDA has come out victorious. Congress have come out with zero, and here in Sikkim also is almost the same picture, because it is SKM who has come out with the number of votes. They have come out with 31 seats out of the 32, where the opposition has only rested with one seat in the state. So definitely it's a big victory for Prem Singh Tamang and his party SKM in the state, and also particularly it is very much good news for NDA, which is coming from the northeastern region on the assembly elections this time on this day.
Definitely, Preeti. And if you were to compare the results from last time, what exactly happened back in 2019, the 25-year-long rule of the SDF was broken finally by the SKM. How have they shifted the entire focus towards themselves? How exactly the things have changed in Sikkim?
What was actually seen is that after the last elections, where the rule of 15 years was broken down by SKM, and we have seen that Prem Singh Tamang became the chief minister for the first time in the last elections in 2019, and now it has been seen that they have come out victorious. Definitely it is the people who have shown their interest in the interest and also definitely confidence on this SKM government. And as in both the states of Sikkim and Arunachal, we have seen that two elections are going parallelly. Lok Sabha elections and the assembly elections are going on parallelly. Both happened together almost a few days ago. The both elections actually happened. So here we have to see that the issues of both central is the issues which need the attention of the center and the issues which need the attention of the state. Both are to be considered when we see the interest of the voters about choosing their parties, about choosing their leaders.
Preeti, please stay with us. Let's break down the number